Hello, my name is Ivan and I am from Serbia. I want to show you my solution of the project 0 of the CS50M course that I am participating in on the edX platform. The goal for the project 0 is to make a plain JavaScript to-do app that will show new to-do items in the list and also track the items count and also the unchecked items count. So let me show how I did it. New item is created by new to-do click. So it will generate new items on every new to-do click. Item count is updated, also unchecked count is also updated. So when I click on some checkbox, the unchecked count is automatically updated, and when I click delete, the item count and unchecked count are also updated. So this is my solution on the UI, and the next that I will show you is how I did it in the code, in the part 2. Hello again. So this is part 2 when I walk you through the code that I did. On the index HTML file, I only commented out the starter button code because on click event that was bind to new to do function, I removed that on click event and added ID. The reason why I did it is because I introduced an ify function, immediately invoked function expression, which generates its own scope. So new to do in the index HTML is returning undefined because it's it doesn't know what it is actually, because this ify function creates its own scope. New to do function is here. First of all, I'm fetching the to-do button. I also fetching the other elements from the HTML. Also, I'm initializing the item count and unchecked count. And there is a new to-do function. So when the new to-do button is clicked, it will generate, it will call new to do function. You can see it here that I add event listener to the click on to do button. So item count and unchecked count are incremented by 1. Also, I'm creating the new list item and fetching it to the list. Creating the input, creating the label, creating the delete buttons, and after that I'm appending it to the list items. At the end, I'm calling this to helper functions, which will actually show the updated counts for the item count and for the unchecked count on the page itself. Here are these 3 helper functions. First, these 2 are called when new to do item is clicked, and also when the delete item is clicked. And this third helper function is only responsible when input checkbox is checked or unchecked for some item. So you can see that here I on the input checkbox I add event listener for the click with the update unchecked count on check. So here is this function. So every time item is checked or unchecked, it will update the item checked count on the page and display it. As I said, these 2 functions are called every time new to do item is clicked, and also as well as on delete button. On delete button, we are first checking if that input is checked, and if it's not checked, then it will update the checked count on the page, and also it will update the item count on that page. So that would be it. Hopefully this is a good explanation from my side, and that's it. Thank you very much.